All right, let's go. The pre-market thieves are doing the deal. All right, that's pretty much why I'm late, because I was having to write it on the board. 442.75, 443, that's an area of overhead resistance. Shorting it at the open is very tough. But this is the place of overhead resistance. Maybe they get to yesterday's high on a super spike. It's 444.60. They're in the zone right now. So trader's choice, you're shorting an uptrend, the whole conversation from yesterday, same routine. It's not easy, but they're not going to run away. They're going to go both ways today at some point. It's options expiration, quad witching, there's rebalancing, there's all kinds of stuff going on. But the thieves in the morning are doing the deal. They're up here. Take it for what it's worth. There's something for everybody. And we'll just leave it at that. Can't control the fact that the pre-market thieves showed up. Conservative trader would wait for them to get around yesterday's high, create a zone between there and 444.60. More aggressive trader would say, I don't care. I'll just sell them here, and they go higher, I'll sell them again. You have to understand who you are. Does that make you comfortable or uncomfortable? If it makes you uncomfortable, don't do it. Later on, if they pull them back down, there'll be a buying opportunity. Just food for thought. If they get up to 444.60, and I didn't do the math, it's close. Maybe my number's a little higher, I'm not sure. But around 440, around a little bit above 444 is 4,500 on the S and the ES. Just a big fat round number, just so you're aware. All right, so the high so far in the spiders was 443.18. They're in the zone. That's where they were. My next number's up here, and maybe they fill the gap today or maybe not, but one thing on the table today for everybody is there's a 3-day holiday weekend. Do you get a Friday floater? I don't know whether you get a Friday floater, a gap and crap. I have no idea, but a Friday floater would lean in the direction of the majority. All right. If anybody's short, you start thinking, listen, can they test the low, spike the low over here and rip it back up? Yeah, you got to take an exit somewhere in front of this low if you're short, and I know there are. And that gives you 5 to 7 points. All right, so we have some profits going in IAS. I see them in the board. Nice job, folks. Okay. Technically this one gave you, it's a low price stock, so it gave you the base hit. Rest is trader's choice. Okay, small. That's why I don't like to put those low price stocks up, because the base hit is small. You have to buy a lot of shares to make it really worthwhile. And that's fine. It's just easier with the higher price stocks. They move better. All right, trader's short, got to start thinking about an exit. Okay, they gave you everything you're looking for the scalp portion. Scalp portion, I'm going to call it over. Rest is trader's choice. Nice trade. Okay, we got any takers in the short? Let me see them. 10 points, Dieter. Nice job. 440.85 is really, below 442, below here. That's my next number. Okay. Nice job, folks. And here comes the short. Okay, so they're giving you everything you wanted. This is the morning trade. This is A number one. 440.85 could be a bounce back in the other direction. Has to be another exit. Okay. Has to be another exit. All right, what do we got for shorts? I want to see it again. Job. All right, Paul. Nice job. All right, folks. Riding the wave. Risk-free, motionless trade. You got to exit around 441, give or take. Don't wait for them to get all the way there. If they're going to go, that's fine. You can get a bounce back. It could be a long opportunity as well. It's just this simple, right? It's this over here. This is where they broke out from on a short-term basis. So they're coming back to test it. If they get there, you'll likely get a bounce in here. That's the whole thing. All right, let them go. Shorts have to exit pretty soon. Another exit. You want to hold the trailer below 440.85. That's up to you. That's a bounce back in the other direction place as well. Job, Gerardo. 10 points on the short. Well done. All right. Shorts should be basically out. If they go lower, so be it. But I couldn't hold it past here there's a fair chance they're going to bounce. This was the trade, folks. This was the morning trade. Maybe another one coming up, but this was the morning trade. This is what we were looking for. This completes the week. Anything else is gravy. Zion's bouncing, trying to. All right, showtime. Again, scalp with potential. That's all you're looking for right now. You're looking for 5 points, give or take. 5, 6 points, and then the rest you hold it. They gave you about 4. Should get a little bit more, like that. There's 5, 4.5. Okay, just protect it. Don't let this one go bad. You can always buy it again lower. In other words, they bounced, they gave you, 4, 4.5 points at least, something like that. After the short, you don't want to play games. You tighten up a little bit, certainly on a Friday morning. Okay, Sean, that's right. We have something for everybody. You didn't like the short, so you're uncomfortable. You took the long. It's fine. That's why there's something for everybody. All right, this trade scalp portion is over. Okay, nice trade. All right, we got profits on the long. What do we got? We got a twofer with Thomas, 15 S&P points, ES points. Great job. Nice job, Lee, Ron, William, Paul, Jerome. Well done. Jesus, Chris, the list goes on. Fantastic. Shaping up to be a know when to fold them kind of day. You can see the writing on the wall.